Hey everyone, I have two new arrivals from Pagani Design. So technically this is part 2 of this 7 watch haul from AliExpress. I'll leave a link down in the description for part 1 where I got the Addiesdive Explorer, which I'm currently wearing, and the Pagani Design Tudor Black Bay 36 with the snowflake hands and the Tiffany blue. So both these watches I got here today came out to about $69, something like that, and phenomenal deal. They also sent them in this new Pagani Design box with this light shiny blue versus their older flip lock, not flip lock, but flip lid Pagani Design case. So it's nothing really special, no impact at all, but something to note. Okay, so let's get this one opened up and see which one this is. Okay, alright. So this one is, you get an extra strap here, trademark Pagani, black and gray, NATO strap. This is the Pagani Design Tudor Black Bay Chronograph. Wow. Ooh, this one's very nice. It has like, wow, such a nice case size. This is like 39.5. A little bit thick, but wow. So I also got this in the white dial with bracelet. That's why I wanted to try this strap, but I think I should have just gotten both of them on bracelet. But this one is nice because it has Pagani Design branding here and Pagani Design branding there as well. But because I've been wearing a lot, I've been wearing the Pagani Design Daytona a lot, and it's been my favorite go anywhere, do anything quartz watch, and I think I wanted to get these here because I think these will be giving it a run for its money. Alright, so let's get this one opened. Let's see which one this one is. Ooh, this is the 1159 Homage. So it's a homage to the Audemars Piguet 1159 chronograph. So we get the blue dial on camera. A little difficult to get it on camera, but in person it's so nice. The dial, oh man, I'll post up some photos of the dial here. It's just a nice blue. The dial markers pop. The subdials are recessed nicely. And get ready for this. Look at that case design. You can see kind of like the lugs are cut out. Super modern. And Pagani Design has been pumping these quartz VK63 chronographs out, and so far they've all been home runs. I mean, the case sizing on this is phenomenal. I think it's like 41 millimeters with a 13 millimeter thickness, if I'm not mistaken. I think 13 millimeters thick. But wow. And here it is on wrist, the Pagani Design Tudor Black Bay Homage. It's pretty comfortable, honestly. I think the 39.5 millimeter case was a smart move with those two subdials, no date window, snowflake hands, round indices. So the loom should be pretty good here. I'll post up a loom shot. And here is the code 1159 Pagani Design. It's super comfortable. I've never seen anything like this from Pagani. This kind of, I don't want to say sailcloth, but textured strap with the leather backing. That blue dial is also really nice. And I think those indices and the recessed subdials, as well as that case, is just kind of so modern. Alright guys, I still have 4 more watches that I'm expecting, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of these unboxings or reviews.